What if your smart home could be more than just practical? What if it became part of your decor, blending technology with style to create a space that feels both modern and inviting? Welcome back. Today, we're diving into smart home ideas that go far beyond basic functionality. These tips will show you how to elevate your interior design while still keeping the convenience of smart technology at your fingertips. Definition: smart home decor means using technology not just for automation and control, but also as an integrated design element that enhances the overall look and feel of your living space. Why importance? It matters because technology is everywhere in our homes, and leaving it as plain devices can look cold or cluttered. By thoughtfully integrating smart tech into your decor, you get the best of both worlds: efficiency and elegance. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Start with smart lighting and pair it with stylish fixtures or hidden LED strips. Step 2. Choose voice assistants or smart hubs that blend with your color scheme or come in sleek finishes. Step 3. Mount smart speakers into walls or disguise them with decorative covers. Step 4. Incorporate smart blinds or curtains that complement your fabric choices. Step 5. Use digital art frames or smart displays that rotate your favorite artwork to add personality. Tools explained. You'll need smart bulbs, LED light strips, decorative smart switches, voice assistants like Alexa or Google Nest, smart speakers, motorized blinds, and a digital art frame. Workflow: begin by mapping out where technology already exists in your home. Then, identify ways to replace or upgrade those devices with design-friendly options. Finally, sync all devices into a single ecosystem for smooth, stylish control. Quick tips: match your smart devices to your home's color palette. Hide messy wires with cable organizers. Use smart scenes to create cozy or dramatic moods instantly. Always check compatibility before purchasing devices. Cost comparison: basic smart devices like bulbs and plugs may cost as little as $15 to $30 each, while advanced upgrades like motorized blinds or digital art frames can range from $200 to $600. Choosing decor-focused smart tech may cost a bit more, but the style payoff is huge. So don't settle for a home that just feels smart, create one that looks stunning too. Start with a single upgrade, like smart lighting, and build from there. If you found these ideas helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to take their smart home beyond the basics.